What is up, guys? It is Zamling3 here with another video. This time it's going to be on my Airsoft equipment. And, yeah, let's get started. Communication-wise, when I'm in the Airsoft war, I like to be able to communicate with my friends. So I have all of this. This is what I would have. So my friend would have. And then this plugs into this, basically. It's got a little thing here. So you can plug it in the top. So that's basically, and go ahead and show you what they do. Okay. On channel 22, if anybody wants to talk to me. Both walkies are on channel 22 here. This one says 22, and if you can't see that, there you go. So, yeah. Both on channel 22 here. And, as you can see, this plugs into the top of this. And it plugs in. And whenever you use this, watch. Just listen to that one there, basically.
Hello?
So, yeah. And on this, whenever you have the other person talking this, whenever they try to talk to you, there's a built-in mic, or a speaker in here, and you can hear them off of the speaker.
It's really cool. I personally like it.
So yeah, I personally like it. It's a good communication system, actually. And as you can see, if you just listen to that thing here. Like I said, has pretty good quality stuff here. So yeah, I'll have to turn my sound up a little bit. Hold on. I gotta turn my sound up. I should be able to hear it better.
Hey guys, checking in.
That's what you would say to your friend whenever you're... Go ahead and turn these off. Because I think I've covered these now. Covered this stuff. So I just go ahead and turn these off. Put those off aside. And for weaponry, I have 2 clips here. 2 clips. And my Colt, hold on. My Colt 1911 target. It's really good, but not as good as all my other ones, but it's pretty good. And you have 2 clips that fit up in there. So yeah, that's basically it, really. But as you can see, I have 2 clips. That way, I'm thinking about getting a speed loader. If any of you guys out there have a speed loader and you'd like to leave a comment on like where to get them, that'd be great. Alright, I think that's it, really.
Zamling3 out.